Motherboard. The motherboard is a flat board in the main circuit board where all computer components are connected. Its job is to allow the components to communicate and work together. Without the motherboard, the computer cannot function properly. Imagine the motherboard like a road network inside a city. All pieces use these methods to communicate with each other. CPU. It is known as Central Processing Unit. The CPU is the most important part of the computer. Its job is to process information and run programs. Whenever you open a program or a game, the CPU is responsible for executing the commands and managing the other components. Because of that, they call it the brain of the computer. RAM. RAM is temporary memory. It stores data that the computer needs right now, that the computer uses while running programs. The more RAM a computer has, the more programs it can run at the same time, and the faster it can work. RAM improves multitasking and overall performance. Hard disk. The hard disk is used to store files and data inside the computer. It is slower than an SSD. It is usually used to store large files like videos, photos, and documents. Hard disks offer large storage at a lower cost. Many computers use both an SSD and a hard disk together. SSD. The SSD is used to store files and programs inside the computer. It keeps your data safe and ready to use. An SSD is very fast and helps the computer start quickly. It also helps programs load much faster. SSDs are much faster than traditional hard drives. GPU. The graphics card is responsible for displaying images, videos, and games on the screen. It processes graphics and visual effects. A powerful GPU is essential for gaming and graphic design. A stronger graphics card provides smoother performance. It also improves image quality and detail. Power supply. The power supply provides electricity to all computer components. It distributes power safely to every part of the computer. Without the power supply, the computer cannot function. A good power supply keeps the system stable and safe. Case. The case is the outer box that holds all computer components. It keeps all the parts in one place. The case helps with airflow to keep the computer cool. It also helps with organization and protects the components. A good case improves cooling, safety, and appearance. Cooling system. The cooling system helps reduce the heat produced by computer components during operation. Computer parts generate heat while working. The cooling system removes this heat. This helps maintain performance and prevents damage. There are two main types, air cooling and liquid cooling. Air cooling uses fans to move hot air away. It is simple and common. Liquid cooling uses liquid to remove heat. It cools better but costs more. And that is it. That's what you need to know about PC component.